wish our student, you will have a chance to go to Pakistan and go for higher education. They have a very beautiful university. I never been there, but I know there's a good universities and qualified universities. So I wish our student will participate in the exam and will try to help. Our secretary is here and will try to give our hands and help to take your exam in better way. Indeed, you need anything from us, we'll cooperate with you. Our students, you see, you have the opportunity to study abroad in Pakistan without any expenses. In the meantime, while you are there, they will give you a vacation trip also. Isn't it wonderful? So we must take that opportunity. Giving the thanks to the High Commission of Pakistan and the University Grant Commission who are over here. I want to convey my thanks and wish this program will be successful. And this is the second phase of Allama Iqbal scholarship, and it will be a very successful one. I wish you the best and thank you very much.